My name is Kristen Blanchard. I'm the Executive Director here at Sheboygan County Interfaith Organization, and Bridgeway and Beyond is one of our programs, along with Building Bridges Child Care Center, which are the two programs that were definitely impacted by what happened on Saturday. So when the team came in, they looked at our windows and they thought that potentially they could do half of our windows. And by the time the project ended, they replaced every window in our house, which is 29 full units or 50 windows. We also were able to paint all the hallways. We did the daycare center. We should probably go in the daycare center soon.
Here we are, Project Day, 2011. That was yesterday.
But it's a hot learning experience if you can't do it right.
A better way, Alex. There's gotta be a better way. There you go. Action shots here.
repainted our bookshelves. It looks so warm and nice in here. We're so thrilled about that. The Kohler company had donated a toilet, and they couldn't put it in during the time because we were busy. So Friday I got a call asking me what size our vanity was in here.